Established in 1996, Srinivasan Services Trust has promoted holistic and sustainable development activities across 2,500 villages of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra and Himachal Pradesh. Touching more than 1 million lives, it has a broader footprint in another 2,500 villages where it plans to be more actively engaged to help bring transformation to 5,000 villages in the next few years. SST does not work in the donor-recipient model. It seeks community involvement and ownership in all its projects. The community takes responsibility for the continuity of the program. And SST also acts as an enabler. They guide communities to embrace better practices and a higher quality of life.
We started Srinivasan Services Trust about 25 years ago. At that time, we felt it was important in TVS values to contribute to the society around our factories. But when we started this, our company was a medium-sized company. It was not the large company that it is today. So we had to find a model where with the limited resources that we had, we could create a much bigger bang for the buck. In other words, be a force multiplier. We found that in TVS, we believed in TQM, which is all employees working together for continuous improvement. And we could apply the same principles in the village by villagers sitting together, discussing the problems, finding out the real root cause and solving it themselves. Thereby, they improve their livelihoods, they gain self-confidence and can do further improvement.
Since inception, Srinivasan Services Trust has been actively engaged in community development work to enhance the social-economic status of the people through a multi-sector approach. Their focus remains in strengthening the education system, providing access to better social and economic development, improving health services and sanitation facilities, developing community infrastructure, and creating a clean and green environment.
SST focus on holistic and sustainable model. It has 6 pillars, which is the base of the transformation of the people. SST model is a catalyst and change maker for the society. The 6 pillars are economic development, education, health, environment, infrastructure, and social and cultural bondage. Our model, that is called SST model, will be the vision that our model of empowerment and transformational change will be attained with the help of government or governments and the other corporates and organizations, so that rural India should become prosperous.
To create equal opportunities for all and ensure better livelihood for communities, SST has facilitated in forming hundreds of self-help groups around Thirukungudi. These self-help groups have been consistently improving and have helped many women and their families along the way to have a better living. They have availed loans, and through income generation activities, their families have earned livelihood and have become an example of unity and diversity. From cereal light bulb making, basket making, jute bags and banana fiber products. Members of SHGs also build fans, mats and chairs for some Anganwadis. Women from the self-help groups work together for a better way of living in rural India. Among many such exemplary stories, one story that stands out is of Bismi, a self-help group where women earn livelihoods making baskets from banana fiber. And Mohammad Peer Banu, head of Bismi SHG in Eruvadi village in Tirunelveli district, started in 2006. Made baskets from banana fibers, dresses and school uniforms. With SST, Peer Banu has trained over 350 women in the surrounding villages, resulting in the rising number of skilled women who support their households equally.
பிந்து மேடம் தான் எங்களுக்கு வந்து ஃபஸ்ட்டில்
Bindu madam from SST first came and met me. She was the one who told us to start a self-help group. She asked us to pool in our savings to practice micro-lending and help each other, even for our children's education. We started this self-help group and we took loans to offer each other an income-earning opportunity. All the credit goes to SST.
எஸ்எஸ்டியை தான் சாரும்.
SST believes in investment in community and community assets. We don't like to spend annual budgets, but to create assets so that there is a sustainability and stability. And if we look behind me, there is particular Peria tank. This work has been done by SST. We have covered about 270 tanks like this at a cost of roughly about 16 crores. And that was done with the community participation. Health, what we do, we have got 22 primary health centers or the health centers which are run by the TVS. They serve the poor people and the vulnerable section of society, especially the women and children. They provide free medicines. SST believes in the concept that without community participation contribution, it will be difficult. We have covered up roughly about 15,000 acres. 15,000 acres have been brought under afforestation, which is a big chunk for improving the environment. In Tirkungudi, you used to have kacha houses, thatched houses, and you have to have mud roads. People are not seeing the face of two-wheeler, three-wheeler, four-wheelers. Today, we are happy with a great pleasure to share that almost all 99% of houses are pakka houses. Each house is having TV, having refrigerators, each house is having a two-wheeler, four-wheelers. This is the real transformation which SST has brought.
Srinivasan Services Trust, in association with the government, addressed acute water scarcity challenges and facilitated respite for several drought-hit villages in Tamil Nadu. So far, SST teams and the government have desilted 270 tanks in Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra, thereby creating 55 million cubic feet of water storage capacity. 19.43 tons of silt have been utilized by farmers as fertilizers and also for strengthening the bunds of tanks. They also declogged all the supply channels for the free flow of water in various towns and villages of the state. This helps farmers improve the fertility of the soil. The initiative brought about significant improvement in the groundwater level and duration of water availability in these areas.
இந்த குளத்தில் வந்து முன்னால் வந்து ஒரு 60 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாலேருந்து இப்போ வர இந்த
For the past 60 years or so, before TVS people came and desilted the tank, the water was available only for 3 months. In those 3 months, due to improper storage capacity, in the last 1 month, there was no water available for agricultural use. Therefore, no farming could be done, resulting in losses. Now, after TVS started desilting the tank, now the water capacity has increased to 26 lakh litres. Because of this, now the water is available for agricultural use and helpful for all farmers here. We are very grateful to TVS and will always be indebted to them.
ரொம்ப உதவியாக இருக்குது. டிவிஎஸ் அறக்கட்டளைக்கு வந்து நாங்கள் என்றைக்குமே நன்றி கடன்பட்டவங்களாக இருக்கிறோம்.
Srinivasan Services Trust has made continuous efforts to create awareness on personal hygiene, especially for girl students who face pressing health concerns and discomfort due to the insufficient toilet facilities available in schools. The trust has repaired and renovated toilets for hundreds of schools and Anganwadis across Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh.
Srinivasan Service Trust constructed toilets for us. 14 toilets have been built for us, out of which 13 toilets are Indian toilets and 1 is Western toilet. The toilets are very useful for us and are very comfortable too. Earlier, we used to take a lot of time to take toilet breaks as there were only 2 toilets and a lot of stagnant water used to collect in the toilet. Now, since the 14 toilets are there, we can easily attend classes as well. So, it's useful for us. They've constructed wash basins inside the toilets and there's no stagnant water getting collected inside the toilet. It's very neat and clean and we feel very hygienic. They have given us all the facilities we need.
இதனுடைய மெயின் விஷயம் என்ன அப்படின்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா எங்கள் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்
There are 450 students studying in this school, but we only had 2 toilets. Female students face difficulties because they only get 10 minutes of interval, especially the 10th standard students as they are expected in their classes without delay. This creates a number of problems. The girls feel very comfortable because now we have 13 Indian and 1 Western type toilet. Students are very happy.
they feel very comfortable. Students are very happy now.
Another inspiring story of sustainable income generation opportunities created by SST is the case study of Mahamari Amman Self-Help Group. The SST teams have reached many parts of the country to help rural populations become financially independent. Mahamari Amman SAG's serial bulb unit in the drought-prone village of Arasanarkulam makes LED bulbs for hoardings and serial link lights for festivals, political campaigns, weddings and celebrations. Dhanalakshmi, who drives this, established her business 10 years ago along with her husband Ashok and works closely with SST in promoting and marketing her products in various parts of the country. Today, Dhanalakshmi is an employer with 50 women working under her in the serial bulb making unit, and she has trained over 550 women so far, most of who have started their own units and now gainfully employ and offer job opportunities to another 20-30 women in each of their units.
என் பேர் தனலட்சுமி, திருநெல்வேலி மாவட்டம் காந்தி நகர் காலனியில் எங்கள் ஊர். சின்ன கிராமம் தான், ஒரு 70 குடும்பங்கள் தான் இருக்கும்.
My name is Dhanalakshmi. I am from the Tirunelveli district. I reside in Gandhi Nagar colony. It's a small village with 70 families. In the beginning, my husband used to make bulbs. Then I joined him to help him out. Seeing us do this work, others came and asked us to make it ready for them also. As more orders started coming, we got more people to work. Ochi Mahakali and Tangaraj from SST saw the work we were doing with women and suggested that it would be a good idea to start a women's cooperative. They said that we could get a bank loan to start it, helped us to get a loan of 10 lakhs from the bank for the 20 of us. So the women agreed as they didn't have to take loans with interest from elsewhere and they could use the money they earn to repay the bank loan without expecting anything from the men. With this confidence, all the women are working together now.
பார்க்க வேண்டாம், நம்ம வேலை பார்த்து நம்மளே லோன் அடைச்சிக்கலாம் அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி தைரியத்தில் பெண்களும் எல்லாரும் வேலை பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கிறோம்.
Srinivasan Services Trust for many years have been creating awareness on water conservation in all villages of Tirunelveli district in Tamil Nadu. Upon learning about farm ponds, the small water bodies formed either by constructing small dams or embankments across the waterway to collect excess runoff during the monsoon seasons, SST team decided to help farmers with them. A farm pond scheme was availed with the help from the Horticultural Department to A. Godwin, a farmer who owns 1 hectare of land. And now, Godwin can store water for his cattle, irrigate his crops, and fulfill his other water requirements during the drought months.
அப்போ இந்த இடம் ரொம்ப வறட்சியாக இருந்துச்சு. அப்போ வறட்சி காரணத்தால் என்ன செய்ய அப்படின்னு சொல்லி தவிச்சிட்டு இருக்கும்போது SST நிறுவனத்தில் இருந்து தங்கராஜ்.
This place was always drought ridden. When I was searching for a solution, then Uchi Mahakali and Thangaraj from SST came to my help. They helped me liaise with the government and facilitated in buying some land and making this pond. Because of this pond, the water level is so good that I am now able to raise 2 crops, whereas earlier I barely raised 1 crop. The water level has increased. My heartfelt thanks to SST team whose help in digging this pond has helped me a lot.
பண்ணைக்குட்டை அமைச்சாங்கன்னா பிற்காலத்தில் இந்த ஏரியாவில் விவசாயம் வந்து நல்லா செழிக்கும். எனக்கு இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணைக்குட்டை அமைச்சு தர உதவி பண்ணிய SST நிறுவனத்துக்கு என்ன மனமார்ந்த நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன்.
திருக்குறங்குடியை தலைமையாக கொண்டு களக்காடு, நாங்குநேரி, சர்மாதேவி 3 ஊராட்சி ஒன்றியங்களில்
With Thirunkurugadi as our headquarters, we are involved in social work in the towns of Kalakar, Cheran Mahadevi and Nanganeri for all the services required by the society, namely water conservation projects important for farmers have been set up by us to ensure the growth of cooperative endeavors in a society. We have achieved this through setting up of women's cooperatives. We have liaised with the government to ensure that farmers get the benefit of individual farm ponds. We have also ensured that farmers could get water through this process.
அவருக்கு தேவையான விவசாயத்துக்கு தேவையான தண்ணீர் வசதியை செய்து கொடுத்திருக்கின்றோம்.
Srinivasan Services Trust for years has been working towards communal and social harmony in the village. Members of the self-help groups Bismi and Annai Theresa have women from Hindu, Christian and Muslim communities. These women work together as one family. During festivals of different religions, the women members clean the temples and churches nearby. Although they belong to different religions, they remain united with the feeling of humanity is one and God is one and He is called by different names. Peace and harmony thrives where there is a feeling that everyone belongs to the same family.
My name is Saidali Fatima. I'm a resident of Nellai Eruvadi Town Panchayat. We have come here as a part of two teams, one in Bismi and the other in Annai Theresa Trust. And we are here because of SST. They helped us come together as a group. Our group comprises of 13 members each in Bismi and Anna Theresa Trust. It's been about 5 years since we started this group. We come to this temple and we clean it every year a week before Shivratri. We are a good example of a secular group and SST has made all this possible.
Srinivasan Services Trust has been working in areas ranging from economic development, infrastructure to healthcare and education. Their values go back to their roots and several generations of community-oriented work. In all their efforts, they try to find sustainable and cost-effective solutions suitable for the local environment.
India has a large number of people in poverty. Close to 30% of our people, which is almost 400 million, are in dire poverty. So how do we get them out of it? We have a simple model of SST, which is by the people, for the people, of the people. And if this is spread across states, we can very quickly ensure that each village can stand on its own and be prosperous. Or almost 7.7% of our GDP being spent on social welfare services, but these don't reach the villages. Again, organizations like ours which operate in different states, there are other companies, there are other businesses who operate there. If they adopt a simple model like this, we can very soon reduce poverty in this country, because 1,40,000 crores is spent by the government and CSR funds barely add up to 20,000 crores. But this 20,000 crores can transform the country because it can now utilize the 1,40,000 crores that's available through the government in a much better manner.
In the last 25 years, Srinivasan Services Trust has grappled with many challenges while implementing numerous initiatives at the grassroots level. It encourages the rural community to bring a change in attitude and take ownership of these changes that have the potential to bring about lasting development. That's a wrap of this episode of The Changemakers. We'll of course be back next week with some more inspiring tales. Thank you very much for joining us today. Goodbye.